Yo, what's up everybody? It's your girl Candy coming back with another video. So today we're starting a journey. Today today will be the first day out of 30 days that I will do a jump rope challenge, a fitness jump rope challenge. So basically the challenge is that I'm gonna basically be teaching myself over how not only to jump rope, but I'm gonna be doing it for 30 days. And the goal is to get 1,000 jumps every day. I'm kind of excited because this is something I've wanted to do for a while. So, you know, I ordered my little jump rope. You feel me? You dig? Ordered me a jump rope, and it actually has a timer on there, and then of course it counts how many jumps you do. So yeah, that's what we're getting into. But before we get into the jumping, you already know what to do. Make sure you smash the like button. Make sure you leave a comment down below. If you're not subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe, because this is a 30-day challenge. Y'all gonna be seeing me consistently for 30 days. And not only that, but happy first day of Vlogmas. But yeah, this is just me dedicating 30 days to myself. You know, working out is something I really like to do. And you know, what better way than to do it for 30 days and try something new? Let's head to the porch. I don't know why I'm so excited. 30 days. That's a lot of days. But okay. So day 1 of jump roping. This is a jump rope I have. It's literally, I don't know why I thought it was gonna be fancy, because it's literally just regular, but this is the brand. And then this is the side that has the timer, and it counts how many jumps you did. So I already did a few test jumps on the porch out here, but I don't think this is gonna be like enough space to do it because of the ceiling. And then I tried to do it this way. Ooh. Cool. So I have a feeling it's gonna take a while until we get to 1,000. That's what it looks like when it's on. Oh my gosh. So this is what it looks like when it's on. I ain't gonna lie, some of it looks like it is in a foreign language. Y'all can't see my feet, but it's fine as long as y'all see me jumping on this. That's what matters. Oh, I'm out of breath already. Okay. I know y'all see me jump roping and stuff, you know what I mean? Even though it technically only got 2 jumps, that was definitely like 3 or 4. Okay, so update. Finally got it down a little bit. Cardio level 10. Cardio level 10. That last run that y'all just saw was actually pretty good. Too bad I don't know how many jumps it was, because my thing wasn't on. Now it's on. Also, this is super sensitive, so y'all gonna have to be careful. And then also, these definitely gonna have to be adjusted. So in here, you can like adjust how short or how long. Mine has to be definitely a lot shorter. And that helped me actually get like the pacing down a little bit better of the jumps, because when it's too long, it kind of drags on the ground. So I thought I was gonna meet y'all at 50. Yeah, now. But we're gonna minus that by a little bit, because like I said, this is really sensitive. So this is probably more like 103. But yeah. Baby, it's only day one. It's only day one. I'm the master. So what I think I'm gonna do is I might make this like a morning and night routine. So what I'll probably end up doing is doing 500 in the morning and 500 at night. That way I'll get my 1,000. Cause I'm already at 200. I don't know why I thought it was gonna take forever. Like it was 10,000 jumps, but it's just one. So I'm gonna do that. And yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so let's get on with the rest of the jumps. I'm gonna try to film as much as I can, but I know I'll get more in this zone if I can listen to music, so that's what we're going for. So if you can't tell by my face, the workout's working. It's giving what it's supposed to have gave, and I'm tired. But okay. This is my count right now. Hope y'all can see that. Yep, that's the count right now. I really actually like this. I kind of underestimated it because I haven't done this since I was like a kid. So I really thought that I was not gonna like it, but it's efficient. So boom, that's where we're at. I feel like I'm not like recording enough, like the other gym girlies. According to this, I'm at 6:44. Oh. Oh, I made that one. Underestimating myself. $63. What y'all gonna say when all that's gone? Huh? I'm gonna be all in y'all face when it's all gone. Okay guys, so this is where I'm at right now. You can see it just changed in front of y'all, so once again, don't come for me. I keep saying, not accurate, not accurate, not accurate. But by all the missed jumps I had today, it should make up for, hopefully, this. Yeah, I swear I go longer than 5 jumps. Right in the camera, y'all can't even see that. Hey baby, y'all look at this. Look at this. Do y'all look at this? What are you doing? Oh. Camera angle's getting crazy. So I have 1,028. Like I keep saying, is that accurate? No, ma'am, it's not. But hopefully all of my missed jump ropes from today make up for the extra. But we finally got there. At least we know we're somewhat in the 1,000 range. Whew. And that's all I really wanted. We're done. Okay guys, so that was the first day of my 1,000 count jump, 1,000 jump rope. That was, I don't know what the fuck I'm trying to say. That was the first day of doing 1,000 jumps, okay? And here's my take on it. That was definitely, y'all, it got me sweating. It got me, we're sweating. It's giving what it's supposed to have gave. So 5 out of 5 stars for breaking a sweat, honestly. If you're not used to jump roping and you get aggravated fast, this one's for you. It might be a little difficult at first. I'm just putting it out there. It might be a little difficult at first, but once you start getting the hang of it, it's actually very cathartic. it's actually very gratifying to get all these jumps in. It actually took a little bit. See, I was talking trash before. I didn't think it was gonna take that long. But now that I've done it, I can say, if you're a beginner, it's gonna take time. Ugh, my sweat is salty. I was getting a little frustrated, not gonna lie, because actually the rope is kind of switchy, if you know what I mean. So if you hit yourself on accident, it's straight rubber, so be prepared for that. Be prepared to be hitting the back of your legs with the rope. But yeah, also I know there's a lot of jump ropes like this out here, but this one in particular is just super sensitive. So if you're gonna use kind of like a cheaper one like I did, you know, make sure you just get like some more, you know, some extra jumps in, because if you any type of movement is gonna do what it needs to do. So yeah, just be aware of that. But I definitely like it so far. Is this gonna get boring fast? I'm not sure. This is actually very exciting because I waited for this jump rope forever in the mail, but it was actually very exciting. I liked it a lot. It definitely took some time. I tried to record as much as I could, but you know, music is kind of my motivator, so I had to put my headphones on to like really get into the swing of things. Okay, but yeah, it was even sometimes where you could, you know, usually when I started just now, you could hear the jump rope smacking the ground as it, you know, goes around and around. But the more I got used to it, I didn't even hear the jump rope smack on the ground no more. So I'm like, okay, am I doing something right? It feels right. It feels right. So smash the like button. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, because this is only day 1. This is for 30 days. We're doing it. We're in here, sis. We're doing it together. We can hold hands, you know, or whatever. But make sure you also leave a comment. Did you enjoy this fitness video, my first jump rope video? Did I do bad? Did I do good? Leave a comment down below, and we will see you next time. Peace.